your map, Kavya.
This is my map. This is our house, and this is the airport, and this is Greenville, where we're going.
Yeah. Now you wanna say clear prop?
Clear prop.
Can you say it louder, please?
Clear prop.
Good job.
Fishy ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run up company.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, hold shorter runway 3 left, monitor tower for you.
Short 3 left, monitor tower 6 Romeo Delta. Fuel pump on, nav lights on. Landing lights on. Dogs on.
Appa, I'm hungry.
Okay, Nana. Tower Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, holding short 3 left.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Petrie Tower, cross 3 left, hold short 3 right.
Cross 3 left, hold short 3 right, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, right turn at northeast, approved, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff, caution wake turbulence of Phenom departed.
Runway 3 right, clear for takeoff, 6 Romeo Delta, right turn to the northeast, approved, thanks. Airspeed alive.
Kavya, I'll give you in 5 minutes, okay? Baby
Okay,
waiting.
let's take off, okay, Kavya? We're gonna get it in 5 minutes.
Bravo Alpha and advise on it. Columbia 252 Tango, traffic in the upwind is a Grumman, northeastbound. Right turn to the east, approved, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 3 right, right turn, Columbia 2 Tango. Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, frequency change approved. Traffic behind you is a Columbia, they have you in sight.
6 Romeo Delta, thanks. See you soon.
Columbia 28 Tango, frequency change approved. Change 28 Tango.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, request.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, when approach.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we're looking for a VFR flight falling to Golf Mike uniform. We're about 15 miles northeast of BDK. We're Alpha 5 Bravo. We're climbing to 5,500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, squawk 5120.
5120 for 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, radar contact 10 miles northeast of the Peachtree Airport, Atlanta altimeter 3006, altitude 3,400.
66 Romeo Delta, we're at 5,500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles northwest bound, Bonanza 6000.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for the traffic.
November 6 Romeo Delta, traffic no factor, contact approach 132.47, we'll see you.
32.47, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Plan Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, level 5,500.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, approach altimeter 3003.
3003, 6 Romeo Delta. A beautiful day, Nana.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic alert, 11 o'clock, 5 miles, is turn to the south-southeast, turn 20 degrees left, we'll go behind, that indicates 5,400.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for the traffic, we'll turn left a little bit.
Actually, 6 Romeo Delta, I think he might be turning back to north in a slow turn, so just turn right heading 090, we'll stay south of him.
Turn right 090, 6 Romeo, thank you.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 10 o'clock and 3 miles, right now it's southeast indicates 4,800.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for the traffic. Would you recommend turning north at this point? I don't know exactly what he's doing.
As long as they're in that altitude, you should be okay. If you want to go back on course to Golf Mike uniform, I'll keep you advised of their activity there.
Roger, 6 Romeo Delta, thanks.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic so faster.
Thanks, Grumman. So we'll be there very soon, okay? It's a very cutest map ever. So where are we right now? We're here somewhere. We're almost here. To Greenville. So we're gonna be in Greenville very soon, okay?
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center, 127.5.
127.56 Romeo. Atlanta Center, Grumman, 66 Romeo Delta, level 5500.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, career altimeter 3004.
3004, Grumman. Look, Kavya, we've only got 22 minutes left. We'll be there very soon.
I want my map.
Okay. So, do you know where we are on the map? Okay. See the big lake?
Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact for approach 118.8.
118.8, Grumman, thank you. Great approach, Grumman, 66 Romeo Delta, level 5500.
November 66 Romeo Delta, career approach, career altimeter 29908. Verify you have the weather at GMU.
29908, we'll go ahead and get weather for GM. Great approach, Romeo Delta. Would you mind if we switch the frequency to get the weather at Greenville?
November 6 Romeo Delta, approved.
Great approach, Grumman, 6 Romeo Delta, back on the frequency with information November for GMU.
November 6 Romeo Delta, roger. November 6 Romeo Delta, start a VFR descent for GMU.
Starting VFR descent to GMU, 6 Romeo.
November 4 7 Tango, just let me know when you get GNAV plugged in. November 6 Romeo Delta, you can contact Greenville Tower.
Contact Greenville Tower, 6 Romeo, thank you. Greenville Tower, Grumman, 66 Romeo Delta, descending.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Greenville Downtown Tower, continue, plan to join the right downwind runway 19er.
You need to right downwind for runway 19er, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, you'll be following Piper traffic on the other downwind slightly ahead of you, 1,700 indicated, call them in sight.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for the traffic. Tower, Grumman, 6 Romeo Delta, I don't have the Piper traffic in front of me.
Romeo Delta, go ahead and make your base turn to the final.
Base final, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 3 Juliet Sierra, you got that traffic in front of you in sight, turn to the downwind. Tower, North American 452, Whiskey Alpha, 8 to the southwest. 452, Whiskey Alpha, Greenville Downtown Tower, continue inbound runway 19er, plan on a 1 mile initial 2500. 1 mile initial 2500, 19er to Whiskey Alpha. Romeo Delta, where are you parking?
6 Romeo Delta going to the Runway Cafe.
Okay, make that right turn on Golf, cross runway 1028, taxi to park.
Right turn on Golf, cross runway 28, 6